Let me quickly show you how to use Essential Space on Nothing Phone 3a. So in order to start using the Essential Space, we have the Essential key over here below the power button. You can press once in order to go to the memory creation, and you can, for example, add your own note over here. You can write anything that you wish to have written in the notes. Of course, you can use multiple lines, and then we can press this arrow in order to save the note. So it is pretty much a note tool that allows you to quickly start writing anything that you wish to note at the specific moment. However, we can also use the button to also create a voice recording. So if you press on this microphone, then you should be able to start recording yourself. And later on, if you go to the Essential Space where we have all those memories, because these things are called memories, those notes and voice recordings and so on, then you should be able to also find the text, pretty much the transcription of whatever you are saying out loud in the voice recording. So if you pause and save, then of course it will go to the Essential Space. In order to open the Essential Space, you need to find the Essential Space app, which is this one over here. We can just tap on it in order to open it, or we can double press the Essential key to immediately go to the space. And then over here, as you can see, I have a recording that I made before, and it looks like this. This is just the voice recording. We can also play the audio. We have some sort of summary made by the phone. Then we can also check out the notes over here, and from what I've noticed, they can also be some sort of summarized by the phone, or at least sometimes. We can also capture a photo with the Essential key. So if you, for example, go to Photos, to the gallery, let's say, and I'm gonna choose, let's go to the camera maybe, and let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here, and if I now use the Essential key, I can actually capture this. I'm not gonna add any note or anything like that. I'm just gonna save it like this. So let's go and see how it looks like. Yeah, so as you can see, the photo is actually cropped. You don't have any, well, not cropped really, but you can tap in order to see the full photo, and we have some details when it is when it was made and where it was taken. And we also have collections, and collections are used to group these memories, nothing more, pretty much. So you can use these collections to organize your space, and you can find your collections over here at the top of the list. If you go to collections, you can press these three dots in order to edit something, and you can keep adding collections as much as you want, pretty much. So to keep it short, to summarize it, Essential Space is like a note tool, a note app that allows you to quickly write something, to quickly capture something, to add a voice recording that is, for example, that provides a context to the note that you are creating. And that is pretty much it. Of course, over here in the top right corner, we can also find some additional settings, so you might want to check that out as well. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!